giving a voice to the little guy.
We're hardworking lawyers. We're on the right side of it.
Against the corporate interests, against the insurance interests, against people that have more power.
A bunch of smart lawyers who work hard on great cases.
We all love to work together in order to achieve the same result, and that is giving power to the voiceless.
We have some 2,000 lawyers who refer cases to us.
Immediately before joining Girardi & Keese, I served for about 10 years as a federal judge. First as a United States magistrate, a highly professional reputation, being extraordinarily effective in the courtroom, and just basically being good men and women.
We leave no stone unturned, and we're able to either finesse a wonderful resolution at a settlement, or if necessary, we are armed to the teeth to go to battle at trial. We feel that it's very important to be actively involved in pro bono efforts and community efforts. Several of us have individual charitable organizations.
Toxic tort cases. There are attorneys that are great at intellectual property cases. There are attorneys that are great at medical malpractice cases. My own practice is focusing on complex antitrust and intellectual property issues. But I so enjoy the fact that there are so many others that have so many other specialties that I can turn to for assistance.
It's a wonderful place with some great people.